In the previous video, we understood how the call recordings works in telecrm and what determines whether it is supported on your device. If you are watching this video, you are on a Samsung Android phone. And the good news is that Samsung has one of the most reliable setups for call recording syncing with telecrm. In this video, we will walk you through every single step to get call recording configured correctly, from verifying your dialer to setting the right media path inside telecrm. Follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, your call recordings will be automatically syncing into your leads. The first thing we need to verify is that the Samsung dialer is set as your default calling app. This is essential. Without it, call recordings will not work. Open your phone app and check whether it is default Samsung dialer. You will recognize it by its standard blue or green Samsung interface. Two things to watch out for here. If Truecaller or Google Dialer is currently set as your default, call recording will not sync. You will need to remove them as the default and set Samsung Dialer in their place. To set Samsung Dialer as default, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, find your current default calling app, and change it to Samsung Phone app. Once Samsung Dialer is confirmed as your default, move to the next step. Now let's turn on call recording inside the Samsung dialer. Open your phone app, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. From there, open record calls. Inside this menu, enable the option that says auto record calls or record all calls. The exact label may slightly vary depending on your Samsung model, but it will be in this section. Once this is turned on, Samsung will automatically record every call made from this device. This next step is mandatory and must not be skipped. After enabling call recording, you need to make at least one outgoing test call. It does not matter who you call, even a 1 second call is enough. The reason this is required is that Samsung only creates the call recordings folder on your device after the very first recorded call is made. Without this folder existing, telecrm will have nothing to sync from. So go ahead, make a quick test call and confirm that a recording file has been created. You can verify this by going to your internal storage, opening the recordings folder and checking for a subfolder called calls. If you see a recording file in there, you are ready for the next step. Now that the recording file exists on your device, you need to tell telecrm exactly where to find it. Open the telecrm app and go to the main menu. Tap on call recording. You will find the media path option inside it. Alternatively, tap on call tracking and then select media path. Once you are inside media path, here is exactly what to do. First, tap select folder. Your device's file browser will open. Navigate to the following path: internal storage, recordings, calls. Once you are inside the calls folder, tap use this folder. Your device will then ask for permission to allow telecrm access to this folder. Tap allow to complete the folder selection process. You will now be taken back to the telecrm interface with the media path saved. At this point, telecrm may ask if you want to sync your older calls. If you would like your past recordings to be attached to your leads as well, go ahead and sync them. After tapping sync, you will be asked to select the duration for which you want to sync older recordings. We recommend selecting 24 hours to start with. Once you confirm, telecrm will process all your calls from that period, sync the recordings, and update the call count against your leads. If not, simply tap cancel to move ahead. Your new calls will start syncing from this point onwards. One setting that commonly breaks call recording sync is Wi-Fi calling. If this is turned on, recordings may not be created correctly by your phone. Go to your phone settings and search for Wi-Fi calling. If it is enabled, turn it off. This ensures that all your calls go through your SIM network and get recorded as expected. And that's it. Your Samsung phone is now fully configured to sync call recordings into telecrm. From this point on, every incoming and outgoing call will be recorded by your Samsung dialer and automatically attached to the corresponding lead inside telecrm, giving you and your team complete visibility into every conversation. If your recordings are still not syncing after following all these steps, please reach out to telecrm support and our team will help you resolve it. In the next video, we will cover the setup for other Android devices. See you there.